Let us start with the activity. Draw a circle as shown in figure. Draw chord AC, any chord AC in the circle. Radius of the circle as you wish. Length of chord AC as you wish. Take any point B on the circle and inscribed angle ABC you have to measure. Note down its measure. Then draw tangent CD to the circle as shown in figure and note down measure of angle ACD also. You will find that measure of angle ABC is same as measure of angle ACD. So these two measures are same. For example, if this measure of angle ABC is 40 degree, then you get measure of angle ACD also 40 degrees. For example, I told you. Now why these two are same? What is the reason behind it? Measure of angle ABC is equal to half measure of arc AC. Measure of angle ACD is equal to half measure of arc AC. That's why measure of these two angles are same. Perform this activity in your copy. Children, study the very important theorem, that is theorem of angle between tangent and secant. Statement says, if any angle has its vertex on the circle, its one side touches the circle and the other intersects the circle in one more point, then the measure of the angle is half the measure of its intercepted arc. One side touches the circle and one intersects the circle in two distinct points. So now BC is touching the circle. Observe all three diagrams. And the other intersects the circle in one more point. Then the measure of the angle is half the measure of its intercepted arc. Another arm is touching here at A. Another arm is touching here at A and here also. And one side is touching the circle. Okay. So angle ABC be an angle, then vertex lies on the circle with center M. So observe the diagram, circle with center M, vertex B lies on the circle, side BC touches the circle at B and BA intersects in point A. Arc ADB is intercepted by angle ABC. Arc ADB intercepted by angle ABC. Now consider case 1. M lies on the arm AB in first diagram of angle ABC. So angle ABC is equal to half measure of arc ADB. Measure of angle MBC. Angle ABC, angle MBC one and the same, that is 90 degree tangent theorem. Arc ADB is 180 degrees. So what is the relation? 180 degrees and 90 degrees. So measure angle ABC is half measure of arc ADB, proved in first diagram. Now observe case 2, that is M is center of the circle and observe M lies in the exterior of angle ABC in the second diagram. Radii MA and MB, radii of same circle. So angle MAB congruent to angle MBA, which is isosceles, each x degrees, and triangle MAB is isosceles triangle. Measure angle MBC is 90 degree. Measure of angle MBA is equal to measure of angle MAB is equal to x degrees. Measure of angle ABC is y degrees. Angle AMB, observe AMB is equal to 180 minus x plus x, that is 180 minus 2x degrees. Measure of angle MBC is equal to measure of angle MAB, observe MAB plus measure of angle ABC. So what you have, x plus y degrees. So x plus y is 90. X plus y is 90 and 2x plus 2y is 180. In triangle AMB, observe, in triangle AMB, 2x plus angle AMB is 180 degree. So 2x plus 2y is equal to 2x plus angle AMB. You can observe the steps are over here. So 2y is equal to angle AMB, 2x is getting cancelled from both sides. So measure angle y is angle ABC, that is half of measure of angle AMB, half of measure of angle AMB, which is equal to half measure of arc ADB. Okay. Now third diagram, observe, complete the proof which is given over here. Ray BE and BC are opposite rays. Measure of angle ABE is equal to half measure of arc AFB, right? 180 minus measure of angle ABC is equal to half measure of arc AFB, right? So cross multiply over here, what you have, half of 360 minus measure of arc ADB, 360 minus measure of arc ADB, right? So 180 minus angle ABC, 180 minus, you can observe this diagram also, 180 minus measure angle ABC is equal to 180 minus measure of arc ADB, right? So 180 is getting cancelled. You have minus angle ABC is equal to minus half measure arc ADB. Minus sign is getting cancelled. What you have remaining, angle ABC is equal to half of measure of arc ADB. So it is proved in all three diagrams. Once again, I'll repeat the statement. If an angle has its vertex on the circle and one of the side touches the circle in another point, then the measure of the angle is half the measure of its intercepted arc. Okay.